Today we're designing a warm, artistic cafe menu using watercolor aesthetics. Start with the textured watercolor paper background. Add playful hand-drawn food icons created using soft watercolor brushes. Use muted palettes, coffee browns, pastel blues, warm reds, to maintain a relaxed atmosphere. Lay out the menu sections with gentle spacing and friendly typography. Add watercolor stains or splashes around corners for charm. Keep the overall tone homey rather than corporate. Finish by adding a slight vignette to maintain center focus. The result is a menu that feels handcrafted and inviting.
Let's design your cafe's artistic identity.